If you're seeing the Slack error not underscore in underscore channel, don't worry. This is usually a very quick fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to resolve the issue so your app or workflow can post in the channel properly again. This is especially useful if you're using a Slack integration, bot, or automation and it suddenly stops working because it isn't a member of the channel. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Slack and go to the exact channel where you're trying to send a message. This part is important because the error usually happens when the app or bot has not been added to that specific channel yet. Even if the app works in other places, it still needs permission inside the channel where you want it to post. Once you're inside the channel, click into the message box and type /invite, followed by your app name. So the command looks like this, /invite at your app name. Make sure you use the correct app name exactly as it appears in Slack. If you're not sure of the app name, check the app or bot name in your workspace and use that in the command. After typing the command, press enter. Slack will add the app or bot to the channel if it has permission to join. In many cases, this is the entire fix. The error not underscore in underscore channel simply means the app was trying to act in a channel it wasn't a member of, so inviting it resolves the problem right away. Now go back and rerun your request. If you were testing an integration, running a workflow, or sending a message through an automation, try it again after the invite is complete. In most cases, your request should now work normally because the app has access to that channel. If it still doesn't work, double check that you invited the correct app to the correct channel. Also make sure you're not trying to post into a private channel without the proper access. In private channels, only members can be added, so the app may need to be approved by someone with permission, but for most users, the simple invite command is enough to fix the error. So to recap, open the channel, run /invite at your app name, press enter, and then try the action again. That's the fastest way to fix the Slack not underscore in underscore channel error and get your app posting again. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.